Hello students, I hope all of you are fine. Now we are going to start the syllabus of final examination. So first exercise is 11th exercise, that is the metric system. In this you will do the conversions. How to convert? See here all of you. In 1 kilometer, you know all of you 1000 meters. In 1 hectometer, 100 meters. This derivations you have to learn it by heart. You all of you know when K is there kilometer, that means 1000 meter. Hectometer 100 meters. Decameter 10 meters. Decimeter, when deci comes, decimal means 1 over 10 meter. Centi means 1 over 100. You know 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is 1 over 100 meter. Millimeter 1000 meters. Same rule is for kilogram. 1 kilogram 1000 grams. 1 hectogram 100 grams. 1 decagram 10 grams. Like this we will do the derivations. First exercise is fill in the blanks. 1 kilometer equal to dash meters. You know 1 kilometer how many meters are there? 1000. 1 kilogram is dash grams, 1000 grams. 1 kiloliter, all kilos we will have 1000 only. Dash millimeter is 1 meter. See here 1 millimeter equal to 1 over 1000 meter. Now they are saying 1 meter is cross multiply it. That will be 1000 millimeter. 1 meter is 1000 millimeter. Like this you will complete 11.1 exercise. Now come to 11.2 exercise. 11.1 exercise you can do in the book itself. Now come to 11.2. First is convert into meters. First question is 7 kilometer, 8 hectometer, 2 decameter and 3 meters. Now we have to convert it into meters. First of all, see students, you know 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. So 7 kilometer will be 7 into 1000 meters plus hectometer. 1 hectometer is 100 meters. So 8 multiplied by 100. They have told you to convert into meters. Plus 2 decameter means 10 meters. And 3 meter means 3 into 1 meters. Add it 7000 plus 800 plus 20 plus 3. 7, 8, 2, 3 meters. All of you understood? Similarly, see 20 decameter and 750 meter. First of all, you learn the derivations. I will take oral test during the online class. And here you know 1 decameter is 10 meter. So 20 will be 20 into 10 meter. This is already given in meters. No need to change. 20 into 10, 200 plus 200 meter plus 750 meters. That is 950 meters. All of you understood this? This notes I will send in the campus here. Come to the second question. Blackboard is clear now, all of you? Second question. One part I will teach. Remaining you do yourself. Convert into millimeters. See here 3 meters. 6 decimeter, dm is decimeter, 8 centimeter, 3 millimeter. Again 1 meter is 1000 millimeter, 3 into 1000 millimeter. Then 1 decimeter is 100 millimeter, 8 centimeter is 10 millimeter. Plus 3 millimeter. No need to change that. 3000 plus 600 plus 80 plus 3. 3683 millimeter. Come to fourth question. 7 decameter, then 3 meter, 2 decimeter. See here students, DAM is decameter. That is how many hundreds decimeter. So 7 into 100, you will write DM decimeter, plus 1 meter is 10. 3 into 10 decimeter plus 2 decimeter. It will remain as such. 700 plus 30 plus 2. 732 decimeter. Simply you have to learn this. 1 decimeter is how 1 decameter is how many decimeter? 100. 1 meter is how many decimeter? 10. This is already decimeter, leave as such. Come to fifth part. This whole exercise is in the syllabus. Convert into grams. 4 kg, then 9 decagram, then 9 grams. Now see, 1 kg is how many grams? 1000 grams. All of you know that. Plus, decagram is how many grams? 10. 10 grams. Plus 9 grams. So it will become 4000 plus 90 plus 9. 4099 grams. All of you understood? Now come to the next part, beta. See here, next is question number 6. Convert into milligrams. That is 8 gram, 4 centigram, 3 milligram. First you will convert it. 8 gram, 4 centigram, 3 milligram. 1 gram is how many milligram? 1000. Got it? Plus centigram is 10 milligram. Plus 3 milligram. 8000 milligram. Plus 40 milligram. Plus 3 milligram. These all units should be same. 8043 milligram. This is the answer. Now convert to centigram. 5 gram, 6 decigram, 5 centigram. 1 gram is 100 centigram. Plus 6 into 10 centigram plus 5 centigram. 500 centigram plus 60 centigram plus 5 centigram. 565 centigram. All of you got it? Very easy exercise if you know the relations. If you don't know the relations, then you cannot do the exercise. Come to next question. Question number 8. Convert number 8. Convert into decigrams. 4 kilogram, 7 hectogram, 8 decagram, 5 gram, 6 decigram. 1 kilogram is 10,000 decigram. 4 zeros. Got it? 10,000 decigram plus 7 hectogram is 1000 decigram. 8 decagram is 100 decigram. 5 gram is 10 decigram plus 6 decigram. That is 40,000 plus 7,000 plus 800 plus 50 plus 6. 4, 7, 8, 5, 6 decigram. Got it, students? Now come to question number 9. Convert into liters. That is 6 hectoliters, 4 decaliters, 8 liters. This will be 1 hectoliter is 100 liters. Got it? 4 decaliter is 10 liters plus 8 liters. 600 plus 40 plus 8. 648 liters. Now come to the 10th question. 10th question. Convert into milliliters. That is 8 liters, 7 deciliters, 6 centiliters, 5 milliliters. 5 milliliters. Check the question. 1 liter is 1000 milliliters. All of you know 1 liter is 1000 milliliters plus deciliter is 100 milliliters. Got it? Then centiliter is 10 milliliters plus 5 milliliters. 8000 plus 700 plus 60 plus 5. 8765 milliliters. Question number 11. Convert into deciliter. 5 decaliter, 6 liters, 8 deciliters. So 1 decaliter is 100 deciliters. 1 liter is 10 deciliters plus 8 deciliters. 500 plus 60 plus 8. 568 deciliters. Last question. 7 kiloliter, 8 hectoliter, 6 decaliter. That is 1 hectoliter is 100 decaliter. Then 8 decaliter is 10. 1 hectoliter is 8 decaliter plus 6 decaliter will remain as such. 700 decaliter plus 80 decaliter plus 6 decaliter. That is 786 decaliter. Students, with this I finish this exercise, and in the next lecture I will start 11.3. Thank you, students.